Monica Kagoni, well known for the YouTube show Metha ya Kagoni, nĩegwatĩire Ûhotani Mûnene hamwe na team yake yothe, and she couldn't hide her joy and excitement as she took to her Facebook page to share the news with her fans and followers and also celebrate the big win with them. She has hit 200,000 subscribers on her YouTube, becoming the first female Kikuyu YouTuber and vlogger to hit that mark. It's no joke, it's not easy. She even thought of it as a dream. Ndonaga arĩ ũndũ possible, but through her hard work and consistency, she has made it. She has managed to attract over 200,000 people, rather subscribers on her channel, and she took to her Facebook page to write this congratulatory message to herself and her entire team saying, "What looked like just a dream is now a reality. We thank you, our followers, for choosing Metha ya Kagoni. Cheers to you. Cheers to the Lord. Hashtag always keep it Metha ya Kagoni." And then she went ahead to introduce her entire team. Her as the CEO of Metha ya Kagoni, and Lawrence Mûnene as the camera operator, Bill Hanyagothie as the social media manager, and Regina Wangui as their video editor. They are very, very thankful for the 200k subscribers, and the journey does not stop there. They are now headed to 300k subscribers. They are on a road to 300k subscribers, and even Wambui wa Mwangi, a fellow YouTuber too, a well-known YouTuber, has taken to her own social media pages to congratulate Monica Kagoni, saying, "Congratulations kuri Monica Kagoni, maya ni mawiko magai, mbuzi tunakulia wapi." Indeed, congratulations are very much in order to Monica Kagoni and the entire Metha ya Kagoni team.